Is it all further it goes?
You can go a little bit higher, but ain't nothing but trees like 10 feet back. It's gotta be a redwood, ain't it?
What?
That big fucker?
Doesn't look like the bark of a redwood.
I don't know what the bark of redwood looks like.
It's really, really knobby.
I'll give you a sequoia then.
Could be.
I don't know.
There you go. See if you can climb back down. Don't turn it sideways.
Oh yeah, that'd be stupid.
Yeah.
Alright. Hey Jared.
Think you can climb back down with that thing?
Probably.
I don't know, you tripped a few times on the way out.
Alright, let's find out.
Got out on that log.
That's what I was thinking too. Oh my god. Bouncing her. Oh, spikes are getting me.
Might be able to go across that log.
Can you? Alright, dude, you want to grab the camera? I don't think I want to have a hand.
Oh,
I have a hand on this one.
I just did it one-handed. Hold on, let me get you coming down. Just in case you fall.
You need action pictures and videos.
Oh, I almost hoped that you'd fall there.
I know, action pictures.
I don't know where this goes because I can't see. Other people.
Sit down. Sit down. Rabbit.
didn't even look over here. Oh yeah, dude, this log looks like it might go through. What is that? Oh my god. Oh shit.
Maybe I should have the camera videotape me fall. Alright.
Oh god.
Right in the face.
Oh shit.
What's up? Don't worry, we're getting some good action videos.
There's thorns in every one of these.
Yeah, I've gotten a lot of them already. Alright, coming up on mushrooms. Oh my god, there's thorns.
Uh-huh.
My bones.
That's a fancy route.
Thank you.
Over or under technique?
I'll go for the over.
Okay. Oh god. Here, hold that.
Man the camera.
Oh my god. Oh shit.
Oh wow.
Yep.
Interesting.
Oh god, oh god. Oh shit. Fucking A. Oh fuck. Shit. Just smashed my lip on something.
What happened, bro?
I fucking fell off the log.
Don't worry, that's good action photo. You didn't even get wet though.
Yeah, I did.
Oh.
This is all. The fucking camera is pretty much the only thing went underwater.
It's a good thing we got the underwater camera.
Holy shit. I'm glad there was a bunch of logs there. Otherwise it would have just been like
Straight rock and water.
huckleberries maybe.
I don't know what those are actually.
Yeah, I would have sucked if this camera fell in water.
Which camera? Oh, I didn't know you brought your other one.
I think I slipped on that, whatever you're standing on right now.
That's the route to go? Alright, I'll make a video of it. You found a trail? Can't really hear ya. Oh yeah. Yeah. Alright, dude, I think we're gonna have to backtrack all the way.
No way, it's right there.
Alright. Oh, fuck.
Coming down?
Almost did. Almost pulled a U. How about just off-road this shit right into there?
Super wet. Where? Yeah, we can follow that log. Ow, thorns! Some fucking rough country shit.
That was a great success though, dude. Neither one of us got snake bites.
Yet. Cause I don't know what the fuck I'm stepping on. Oh, you're not supposed to go past here or what?
I'm not sure. I think we should.
Yeah, cause this trail goes around. Ow!
Oh, sorry, bud. Oh, I think we were supposed to go around it.
Yeah, we went through it.
Yeah. Oh, fuck.
Holy shit.
I didn't expect to see that.
No.
That's way cooler than what I was thinking.
Well, what we were thinking was a 2-foot waterfall.
Oh, yeah.
Blazing trails.
Not go beyond this point of my eyes. How's it going, guys? Good, yourself? Not too bad.
Hold that.
Sure. This turned out to be a lot cooler than what I thought it was going to be.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Yeah.